All right, here we go with practice number 3. Multiplying improper fractions. So taking a look, here I can see in my picture I have 3 halves, and I'm taking half of those. So I'm going to split it this way. I'm taking half of them, and I'm ending up with 3/4. So let's see if we get 3/4. 3 times 2 is 3. 4 times 4 is 4. I ended up with 3/4. All right, here's my 8/3 times 1/4. So here is 8/3 going. Here's 1/4 of them. 8/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's 1/3, 2/3, 3/4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here's 1/4 of them. So I should end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 twelfths, or 2/3. 2/3, yep. 8 times 1 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12, which is equal to, both divisible by 4, 2/3. Excellent. Again, I could have simplified my 8 and my 4 to be 1/2 here, and it would end up with 2/3 right away. All right, my 11 halves times 1/3. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 halves going down, and then my thirds going across. Here's one of them. So I should end up with 1 whole and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if that's what I get. I cannot simplify anything in here, but 11 times 1 is 11, and 2 times 3 is 6. So 11 goes into 6 one time, and I have 5/6 remaining. So I indeed got that. All right, moving right along. Here I'm looking for something, see if I can simplify anything. Nope, I can't. 7 times 1 is 7. 4 times 3 is 12. 7/12. Over here, ooh, I've got 2 and 8, which becomes 1/4. If you could rewrite it if you wanted to. 9 times 1 is 9. 4 times 7 is 28. All right, and I know there's nothing to simplify because there's nothing to simplify here, which is kind of cool. All right. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this problem. I have 3 and 3. That makes 1. 8 and 10 are both divisible by 2 here. So I have 4/5. I know I'm going to end up with 4/5, but let's rewrite it. 4/1 times 1/5 equals 4/5. Excellent. All right. Oh my gosh, this one is so juicy. There's so many. Let's see. 3/9 is 1/3. 15/20, they're both divisible by 5, is 3/4. And look at this. 3, 3, that's 1, 1, 1. I'm going to rewrite it. 1/1 times 1/4 equals 1/4. How awesome is that one? This could be my favorite problem of this page. All right, keep it on going. 3, 6. Oh my gosh, there's so much to simplify. 3/6 is 1/2. 1/2. 4. And don't get carried away and put 1, 1 because it's 1/2. 4/8 is 1/2. 1/2. 1/1 is 1. 2/2 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. How amazing is that? Awesome. Oh, look at this one. It's so juicy. 7/21 is 1/3. Both divisible by 7, right? 7 divided by 7 is 1. 7 divided by 21 is 3. 2 and 16 both divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 ones equals my whole number of 24. Beautiful. All right. Oh my gosh, another one. 15 and 5 both divisible by 5. 1 and 3. 8 and 12 both divisible by 4. 2 and 3. Look at this. I have a 3 on top of a 3. This is going to be a 1 over here. And then 2/1. So I'm stuck with 2/1, which is equal to a big old 2 there. Cool. Oh my gosh, look at this one. It's like Christmas and Hanukkah and all of the winter holidays all in one. 936, both divisible by 9. 1/4. 832s, both divisible by 8. 1/4. 4 times 4 is 16. Over 1 gives me 16. Oh, so many more problems. Yay. All right, we're going to keep working here. These ones get a little bit feistier, as we like them when we continue working. 6 and 8 are both divisible by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 4 times 5 is 20th. Oh my goodness, look at this improper fraction. Pull out one whole, and I'm left with 1/20 there. Uh-oh, my cookies are ready. I'll be right back. My cookies were not ready. I was like a 5th grader taking a math test. I didn't read the directions, and I only put them in for 11 minutes and not 15 minutes. Oh my goodness. All right, so I'm moving on to number 13. Loving this. This problem a little bit scary, but loving it because I know that I can divide these two by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 28 divided by 2 is 14. But now I'm like, oh, I can divide them by 2 again. Because I could have divided them both by 4. 28 is divisible by 4. But I didn't remember that. But that's okay. I can simplify again. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 6 divided by 2 is 3. I'm going to rewrite this one because it got a little weird. 11 thirds times 7 thirds. Now, remember, 2 denominators. Only denominator, numerator. 11 times 7 equals 77. 3 times 3 equals 9. 77 ninths. 9 goes into 77 8 times is 72. I'm left with 5 ninths remaining. All right, number 14. Woof. I see some here, right? 5 15ths becomes 1 and 3. 21 and 6 are both divisible by 3. So this is 7 and this is 2. I'm not seeing anything else here. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 goes into 21 10 times, and I'm left with 1/2, 2 remaining. All right, let's look at number 15. 25 and 10, both divisible by 5. 5 and 2. 4 and 18, both divisible by 2. 2 and 9. 5 times 9 is 45. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 goes into 45 11 times, which is 44. And then I would have 1/4 remaining. Awesome. All right, moving on. 9 and 7, nothing, because 7 is prime. 30 and 2, 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Now, 15 and 9 both have 3 in common. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 goes into 35 11 times, which is 33. 34, 35. 2/3 remaining. All right. One more. See if I can get it before my cookies finish here. I'm seeing 8 and 14, right? We always, so many of them are across, but we can never forget about up and down. All right, they're both divisible by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 8 divided by 2 is 4. I see nothing else. 7 times 5 is, there it is, 35. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 goes into 35 2 times, which is 24. But then I'm left with 11/12 left to get me through the rest, and that is it.